In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write math formulas in Notion using LaTeX and a simple cheat sheet for beginners. We'll set up a quick reference you can reuse, and then practice rendering formulas right inside Notion so you feel confident typing math the right way. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. Give yourself a clean space to work. On that page, type /table and choose Table, inline so the table sits inside your page. Title the table, LaTeX cheat sheet so you can find it later. We'll add 3 columns to keep things clear. The first column is called Command, where you'll type exactly what you would enter in Notion. The second column is Description, a short note like superscript or fraction. The third column is Sample, which shows how the result should look when rendered. Now let's add some rows for common formulas. For superscript, in Command, type x2 and in Description, write superscript. In Sample, note x squared. For subscript, type x1 with the description subscript and the sample x sub 1. For a fraction, enter a frac BTO. The description is fraction and the sample reads a over b. For a square root, type sqrt x. Description square root. Sample root of x. For an nth root, use sqrt cos x, with the description nth root and sample nth root of x. For a summation, add plus sum shwa n I, described as summation, and sample sum from I equals 1 to n of I. For an integral, write yint b f x dx, described as integral, with sample integral from a to b of f of x dx. A quick tip as you fill these in. LaTeX commands start with a backslash, and superscripts and subscripts use the caret and underscore. When you need more than one character in an exponent or index, wrap it in curly braces, like xx 10 bar or a total. Braces tell LaTeX where that formatting starts and ends. Let's try them out. In Notion, click the plus button or type /equation to insert an equation block. Go back to your table, copy a command from the command column, and paste it into the equation block. Press Enter, and Notion will render it automatically. If something doesn't render, double-check for missing braces or typos in the backslash commands. Repeat this with each row to see how your cheat sheet translates into clean, readable math. And that's how you use LaTeX in Notion with a simple cheat sheet. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Notion tutorials.